Hello and welcome to the program. I'm Shola Shoyeli.
The maiden alumni lecture of the Faculty of Law of the University of Ibadan attracted a rich and diverse crowd of academics, serving and retired both within and outside the university. Also in attendance are serving and retired judges, senior advocates of Nigeria, members of the Nigerian Bar Association Ibadan branch, led by their chairman, and other legal practitioners. Members of the state executive, legislature and the judiciary are also present. Also in attendance here are alumni members of the university, current students of the school, students of other nearby institutions, as well as friends and mentees of the guest lecturer. The hall is packed full, and the chief host, the Dean of the Faculty of Law, Professor Simisola Akintola, who welcomed everyone to the Pioneer Alumni Lecture, notes that it is a historic occasion and a platform to stimulate dialogue, engage in thought-provoking discussions, and exchange ideas that chart a course for harmonizing the transformative power of technology with the enduring principles of the law.
We are gathered here today to engage in a discourse of immense importance. One that will shape the trajectory of the legal profession today, the near future, and in years to come. The advent of artificial intelligence has ushered in a new era, one that challenges our traditional notions and prompts us to reimagine the boundaries of our profession, boundaries of privacy, boundaries of personality, boundaries of who we are, boundaries of our culture. As legal practitioners, scholars, and students, we stand at a pivotal junction where embracing technological advancement is no longer an option, but a necessity. As the premier institution of legal education in Nigeria and indeed Africa, the University of Ibadan Faculty of Law has a responsibility to stay at the forefront of these developments and to equip our students with knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the challenges and opportunities presented by AI. This maiden alumni lecture, which I hope will continue to be a series, is a testament to our commitment to fostering dialogue, promoting critical thinking, and embracing innovation in legal education and practice. Throughout the illustrious history of this faculty, we have been a bastion of excellence. We have been nurturing generations of legal luminaries who are leaving indelible marks on the annals of jurisprudence. Our results in the last exams, the one before that, the one before that, and the one before that, is a testament to this. Today, we find ourselves confronted with a paradigm shift, one that demands us to adapt, innovate, and redefine the very essence of our craft as legal practitioners.
A former dean of the Faculty of Law and current Deputy Vice Chancellor Research, Innovation and Strategic Partnership, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Professor Oluyemisi Gbangbose, speaks about the importance of the Alumni Association and alumni lectures such as this.
Alumni associations play a pivotal role in the life of educational institutions and organizations, as the government cannot meet the needs of the educational institutions 100%. Their significance extends far beyond their time as students. Networking and mentorship is one of the importance of an alumni association. Alumni networks provide valuable connections and mentorship opportunities for current students and fellow graduates. These connections can lead to career advice, job opportunities, and professional growth. Financial support by alumni association cannot be overemphasized. As important as alumni associations are in the institutions, alumni lectures encourages knowledge sharing. It is an avenue for networking opportunities for students to connect with successful professionals in their field.
She also commended the guest lecturer as an outstanding alumnus of the University of Ibadan, whose acts of service are worth emulating.
His Excellency, Mr. Abiodun Olatunji, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, is not only a Senior Advocate of Nigeria, but a shining example of the values that define the University of Ibadan community. Abiodun Olatunji, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, is one of the 75 UI at 75 ambassadors, hence the term His Excellency. Please, as you are addressing, please don't forget to put His Excellency. As an alumnus of our esteemed institution, Mr. Olatunji, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, embodies the spirit of excellence and service that UI holds dear. His dedication to the university's mission is evident through his active involvement in activities at the faculty and the university. The university is grateful for his contribution, which is very significant, during the 75th anniversary celebration of the university. He is an alumnus par excellence. Beyond his professional achievements, Mr. Olatunji's commitment to philanthropy is truly commendable. Through his generous support, he has become a beacon of hope for indigent students in the Faculty of Law, providing them with opportunities to pursue their dreams and excel in their studies. We are privileged to have him here today to share his insight on the intersection of artificial intelligence and the legal profession.
When the guest lecturer mounted the podium, he noted that technology has made a great impact on the legal profession, and any legal practitioner who must succeed and thrive in the legal space must embrace latest technology tools. He, however, cautioned that artificial intelligence (AI) cannot replace human expertise, and so lawyers must still leverage their knowledge, ethical judgment, creativity, and emotional intelligence to complement the tools of AI. Drawing from his extensive research, the guest lecturer chronicles the types of AI and the genesis and the utilization of generative AI in the legal industry.
The utilization of artificial intelligence, AI, in the legal industry is evolving and poses challenges to the existing legal framework. Questions arise about whether AI should be considered as speech, regulated under antitrust and criminal laws, or treated as an agent under agency law. Various studies project significant impact in the legal profession, with estimates suggesting a substantial portion of legal work could be automated. Notable statistics include a 2023 study stating that legal services are the most exposed industry to AI. A Goldman Sachs report indicating 44% of legal work could be automated, and another data suggesting 23% of an average attorney's job could be replaced by robots. Deloitte predicts the elimination of 100,000 legal jobs in UK by 2025 could be lost due to automation. The legal landscape is already influenced by AI, exemplified by the case of Lola and scaling decision, which suggests that tasks entirely performed by machines may fall under the practice of law. The Yale Journal of Law and Technology identified 3 implications of this decision emphasizing the need for lawyers to adapt to the evolving landscape. Generative artificial intelligence is further transforming the legal industry, offering opportunities for greater transparency, efficient dispute resolution, improved access to justice, and challenges to traditional law firm models. The impact of AI tools on legal practice remains uncertain in the long term. In the UK, the Bar Council acknowledges the ethical use of AI tools in legal services, emphasizing responsibility, accuracy, and compliance with laws and professional conduct.
Drawing from his personal experiences, his reading of the practice of law in Nigeria, and even his interactions with students of the Nigerian Law School, the senior advocate makes some recommendations for the legal profession in Nigeria.
I'm of the candid opinion, and I most humbly recommend that the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, in conjunction with the stakeholders of the bar and the bench, issued an executive order relating and outlining key principles and guidelines for the development and use of artificial intelligence in Nigeria, similar to the executive order issued by President Joe Biden, the President of the United States of America, in October 2023, titled Executive Order on the Safe, Secure, and Trustworthy Development and Use of Artificial Intelligence, directing federal agencies to establish standards for AI safety and security, protect privacy through legislation, address discrimination in all AI algorithms, and ensure responsible AI use in healthcare and education. For the legal sector, the executive order issued by President Biden presents both opportunities and challenges. Legal professionals will need to advise clients on AI-related legal issues, including compliance, liability, intellectual property, contract ethics, and human rights. At the same time, they must integrate AI systems into their own practices. In addition, the heads of various courts in Nigeria can also issue practice direction regulating use of AI in courts in Nigeria. The need for lawyers to develop tech-related skills in the age of artificial intelligence is another recommendation. I want to also recommend increased collaboration between the Nigerian legal practitioner and ICT professional to ensure the adoption of appropriate design, implementation, and adoption of artificial intelligence enable system for the comprehensive administration of justice in Nigeria. I would like to suggest that to keep up with the evolving technological standards in artificial intelligence, all faculties of law and the Nigerian Law School must develop curricula on legal business management with a tech focus on how to run the business of law using artificial intelligence tools. However, I must sound a note of warning to law students not to place over-reliance on legal artificial intelligence tools and applications, as human intelligence is still required to acquire foundational lawyering skills like strong writing, critical thinking and analysis, and sound judgment, all of which will help them to build a strong foundation in their careers as legal practitioners.
The lecture generated interesting questions and contributions, and at the end, the faculty appreciated the guest lecturer for deepening the knowledge gap and expanding the frontiers of legal knowledge. Mr. Abiodun Adediran Olatunji was born on December 29, 1967. He gained admission into the University of Ibadan in 1989 and obtained his LLB with honors. He proceeded from there to the Nigerian Law School and was called to the bar in 1993. He started his professional career at the legal department of the Central Bank of Nigeria, where he served the NYSC, And at the end of the service year, he had endeared himself to the lawyers in the CBN, and some of them strongly recommended him for employment at the law firm of Abdullah Ibrahim & Co. Today, he's a partner at the firm and also an alumnus of the University of Lagos, where he obtained his Masters of Law, LLM. He was conferred with the rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria in 2019 and has since gone on to become a chartered member of the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, a fellow of the Nigerian Institute of Auctioneers, and patron of the National Association of Judiciary Correspondents. He is also a supernumerary police officer with the rank of Deputy Commissioner of Police. He sits on the board of several companies and is a recipient of many honors and awards for his contributions to the development of the legal profession in Nigeria.